This will be going in the drift car, old big boy.
Here we go, boys. Nothing but the best.
I use a shucker to measure if the clutch is level.
It comes with stickers!
Yes.
Ooh, ow.
Oh.
Right there. Would you look at that?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Flat Out. Terry. Nah, we can't turn that down. Sounds good. Hold on. Just a little bit. Hey everyone, welcome back to Flat Out. Just an update, the engine is back. Our engine builder, Josh, has whipped everything together. We're just going to put on all the auxiliaries and bolts and bits and pieces. So we'll show you what we can with that. We will do a proper reveal on Terry's R31, so I won't show you too much of that. You've probably seen a little bit of it, but we'll do a proper video on that. As we can see, here's my R31. Lots of goodies that we're going to be slapping together and getting ready to go. And then turbo manifold. And then, yeah, just as you've seen before, everything's kind of coming together. Very lucky that we have some pretty clean interior, nice dash mats, carpets in good condition. So yeah, we've got lots of goodies. Terry is gonna use his mad welding skills to weld the Bride Lomax in. So that's gonna be nice. Terry has 2 of these in his car. I only have 1, so I'll keep an eye out for a second one.
Yep.
And yeah, here she is. So she's looking pretty sweet. We'll do a little bit of filming when and where we can, just to kind of show you what we're up to, but hopefully a nice video to, you know, some RB content, so to speak. That's my gearbox going in. I think that's a spare and another spare. And then if we come over here, this will be going in the drift car, old big boy, 25. So that's sure to be nice and reliable. So the idea is to get this rolling and complete. This will come out. The track drift car will come in. And then hopefully we're good to go. So let's get started. All right, update. I painted the rocker cover matte black. Listen, it's looking pretty schmick. Got these cool little, you know, dress up billet rocker cover bolts. Terry's just popping the intake on.
Overnight parts from Japan, mate.
Hong Kong.
Port Adelaide.
So listen, this is very exciting. I just went out the back and painted some other bits and pieces that I'll show you in a second, but I'll help Terry with this. Sorry, mate, just gotta turn her down. Hey guys, listen, we've had some interesting times with this RB30. Terry's been chipping away at it. Thank you, Terry. We were running this aftermarket fuel rail. It's a Tarks rail, and we had some existing injectors. These are 3/4 length, so we ran into the problem of realizing at the last moment that we needed injector extenders. So we got them, and they're fine. They clipped on, all good. No complaints, and then Terry just sourced a few of the extra fittings just to tie it all together. I've just done a quick tidy up of the engine bay. The chassis rails were kind of chipped away with paint and a bit dirty, so just a quick spray of white. Doesn't have to be like super amazing, because this isn't going to be like a show car. We're going to be using it a lot, so just touched it up so it presents well, and hopefully we'll be chucking the engine in shortly. But yeah, as you can see, it's looking good. And then, yeah, we kind of got everything ready to bolt in. So we'll film as much as we can, and hopefully this thing will be in shortly. I think it's about time. These are well overdue. We should have bought these day one, Terry. I'm surprised we were doing all this work without even having these. So,
You know what? I reckon we should sell the hoist and buy more then.
well, if we buy enough, we'd be able to build a build a tower of them, and then just have a slow ramp heading up to the. So no, these are super handy because we're running low cars, so this is great when trying to get the jack underneath, but even now it's already paid for itself, just giving us a little bit of room to move with the engine. So up she goes. All right, went in with reasonably no hassles, and we're done. No, we have a long way to go. There was a little problem. I believe someone did some exhaust stud stuff, and we need kind of an aftermarket bigger stud to fit here, but that's okay. That's stuff that can wait later. But she's in. As you can see, the head drain is flush on the back. That is very solid. That's from R31 Engines, and that thing is solid. So
obviously it won't sit like that when the gearbox is in.
Yeah,
it's
she'll
sitting on there because the gearbox is not in it.
She'll come forward a little bit. Anyway, let's chuck her in. Oof. Not sure if I showed you this before. I kind of stolen these from Terry. I don't think he knows yet. Clear. Nothing. Clear indicators. Very nice. I like them. Just gotta get some different bulbs. Anyway, hopefully he doesn't find out.
Here we go, boys. Nothing but the best.
Exceedy's going to go in. Got the alignment tool. A lot of people don't use these, believe it or not. I use a shucker to measure if the clutch is level. Is there? What's in there?
Yeah, it's worth filming. It comes with stickers.
Yes. Fuck the clutch. Where's this going to go? I'm going to put these on the inside of the wheelbarrow like that. Bolts are in. We use nothing but the best ARPs, so they were reasonably priced, and just the signature pink, looking very nice indeed. Well, see ya. All right.
Oh yeah, it's up to you.
Thank you. Oh, got it. That's all torqued down. We just checked on the internet. It was kind of hard to find anything consistent, but what was it? 32 to 44.
Yeah.
So we did 42, just to kind of be on the higher end, but not so much. But everything seemed to bolt up okay. We'll put the engine mount bolts in and move on to the next thing. Ow. Oh.
So that's pretty much its final spot about there. That's the
Right there.
Get it. Yeah, that's the flush.
Would you look at that?
All right, no worries.
Yeah.
That's cool. We're just test fitting the extractors, so everything seems to be okay. Everything's lining up. Got the gearbox mount thingy-majiggies in. Painted these black so they present really nice. No one's going to see them, but I know that they're there. And I guess that counts. All right, off to the next job. Ooh! Okay, listen. We encountered a few little problems that prevented us from putting the gearbox in today. So the existing clutch fork spring, like the pin thing, has a little bit of wear and tear on it. So it'd be silly for us to put in something that can easily be replaced for a few bucks. But while we're here, there you go. There's the rear head drain, and Terry did a great job. It's all wrapped and just goes right in there. All brush Welsh plugs as well. So yeah, no, this thing's pretty much ready to go. I just quickly painted just some of the gearbox mount stuff, so that's kind of fresh, which is good. Battery box tray thing is nice and clean and degreased, so we're just going to work on kind of another silly little project. We're going to flip a car now.
If we hit a gutter hard enough, it should flip.
It should flip. So we are done for today. It'd just be silly to put in an old fork when we could just buy a new one, and then the gearbox tail shaft will be in shortly. So thanks heaps for watching. We might continue the video now, or might see you on a next one. So if we don't, see you soon.
Don't forget, support your local.
Was that a blown head gasket or a shed skid? Not sure which one.